Like all of our monthly clubs, Cutting Dies is a premier club. What does that mean? It means that members get it before anyone else, and that's just great. Creative Corners is the March selection, and you can see there's a label, there are 2 corners, but what you can't see is all the creativity that this gives. On the back of the package, there's 1 idea, but members will receive this newsletter with lots of ideas, and I'm about to show them to you. In addition, members are receiving with this one some specialty papers. So let me show you what this has. Here is our first card, and as you can see, that oval has been placed in the center and turned right side up, or vertically, and then the corner pieces are there. Just really lovely. Some dazzles across the front. How pretty is this to take that piece and cut it in half, or cut the corners and put them together to make that embellishment. This center area, that becomes right here to hold the thank you. So pretty. Now this card, wow, look at this, but it gets better. What the designer did was to take her blank card and cut off the corner and overlap that die cut piece. And this is out of the silver ripple. Isn't that just stunning? And members are getting a half sheet of the silver ripple right in with their kit. So you're ready to go. And how beautiful is this label with the piece lifted up on foam tape. Just very, very lovely. On the inside, those corners kind of bracket the best wishes. Let me show you another. This is a 5-inch square card, and members are getting a piece of gray suede as well as black suede. Look how pretty those are. And that's what's been used to bring those corners in to meet in the center. And then we also have that beautiful piece in the silver ripple, which you just saw, and on top of the black suede. Just so pretty. And look how pretty that is going up from the bottom. It's so helpful to have these ideas. One more for you, and this is using brown crocodile. Yep. Members are getting that. Now, members don't get the specialty papers every month. Members are paying $19.99 for the kit. Normally, the Cutting Dies are going to retail for $19.99, but when they're less than that, like this one, we're going to give you the specialty papers to offset that price difference so that you're always getting a bargain and you're always getting free shipping. Look at this with those corners brought into the center to make a beautiful medallion. Isn't that beautiful? And then doing with the crocodile right there too. Just oh so pretty. So you can see this is quite a value. In addition, members receive a special members only offer for 20% off. Again, they're getting things very special to them. And that's what this club is all about. Well, that's what all of our clubs are all about. You can find them at paperwishes.com. Go over to the right-hand side, you'll see the premier clubs. We have them in Cutting Dies, as you saw, dazzles, stamps, card making, scrapbooking, mixed media made easy, and templates. All of them are premier, meaning that members get them before anyone else. We hope you'll join us as part of the premier family.